Are you fed up with watching others chase their dreams while you're stuck in a loop of endless scrolling and stagnant routines? Does it seem like everyone else is living their best lives, reaching goals and moving forward, while you're left wondering why you can't keep up despite your efforts? I remember when I felt that way in the past, and I was determined to change. I was sick and tired of my own crap, so a long time ago, I refused to let myself feel that way ever again. In this video, I'll uncover the reasons behind this frustrating standstill and reveal how you can turn things around to achieve more in the next 100 days than 99% of people. If you feel like you're endlessly battling to make headway on your aspirations, this is most assuredly the video you've been waiting for. We'll dive into practical strategies to overcome distractions, stay focused, and tackle obstacles head-on. Plus, you'll gain insights from some of the world's most successful individuals and learn how to integrate their secrets into your own life. If you are serious and ready to change, then type GO in the comments right now. Please just type GO in the comments, and when I see your comment, I will give you a reply. Thank you. By the end of this video, you'll have a robust plan and a proven system to surge ahead in achieving your goals over the next 100 days. You'll know precisely what steps to take to accelerate your progress, and you'll possess the motivation and confidence to make your dreams a reality. All right, let's get down to business. Pay attention. The first challenge is that social media and the internet have hijacked your mind. These platforms are meticulously designed to capture your time, attention, and energy through sophisticated algorithms and psychological tricks. They keep you hooked, endlessly scrolling, and constantly coming back for more. Hours slip away as you get lost in a sea of posts, videos, and comments, and your personal goals and dreams fade into the background. Before you realize it, the day is gone, and you've achieved nothing meaningful. Here's what you need to understand. Your time and energy are finite resources. If you're not vigilant, you'll squander them on trivial distractions. Meanwhile, others forge ahead, maintaining their focus and working diligently toward their goals. It's time to break free from this cycle of distractions, reclaim your time and energy, and redirect them toward your own aspirations. With a clear plan and system, you can leap ahead of 99% of people and accomplish more in the next 100 days than most do in an entire year. First, you must seize control of your mind. This requires a laser focus on what truly matters while ruthlessly eliminating distractions. It won't feel natural at first, but with consistent practice, you'll master the art of cutting out everything that doesn't serve your mission. Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done? It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking time is against you, but the truth is, we all have the same 24 hours each day. The key difference between those who achieve their goals and those who don't lies in how they use their time. It's crucial to track how many hours you're currently wasting on activities that don't contribute to your goals. Imagine how many of those hours could be redirected toward your dreams. To use your time more productively, start by eliminating distractions and dedicating specific periods to work on your goals. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish simply by becoming aware of the hours available to you. One powerful technique to enhance productivity is time blocking. Begin by listing all the tasks you need to complete and organizing them by priority. Estimate how long each task should take, being honest with yourself about the required time. Then, schedule each task as a time block in your calendar, starting with the highest priority. Set a countdown timer at the beginning of each time block and work on each task without distractions, aiming to complete it within the allocated time. This approach turns productivity into a game, creating a sense of urgency where you're racing against the clock with complete focus. This method will reveal how much you can achieve in a single day when every hour is used productively. Another key principle to help you outpace the competition is the concept of Kaizen, Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy, emphasizes small, consistent daily actions to achieve long-term goals. It transforms daunting big goals into manageable steps you can tackle every day. By focusing on these small improvements, you can make steady progress over time rather than trying to do everything at once. These incremental changes add up to significant achievements. Embracing Kaizen helps you avoid the pitfalls of procrastination, perfectionism, and overthinking, enabling you to make consistent progress toward your goals. Success is a marathon. Commit to making small, incremental improvements daily for 100 days, and you'll be amazed at the results. Remember, not everyone will understand your drive to succeed. Some might label your dedication as an unhealthy obsession. However, most people are average by definition. To become exceptional, you must resist the mentality of the majority and aim higher. Set ambitious goals, work harder and smarter, and continually push yourself to improve. Getting ahead of 99% of people requires a willingness to put in the effort and make sacrifices that most won't. True success is about following your dreams, not pleasing others. But wouldn't you agree that the people who care about you the most would be pleased to see you following your dreams? It's important to think beyond just achieving a goal. Consider who you want to become. Reflect on the person you most respect and how they live their life. Become well-rounded and emulate the things you like most about them. At the same time, don't do the things that other people do that you dislike. Imagine the people you admire observing your every move and ask yourself, would they be proud of my actions? This mindset shift will hold you accountable and motivate you to take action even when you feel like slacking off. It's about becoming someone you respect and are proud of. So, who do you want to become? And what actions will you take to get there? The importance of execution and taking action cannot be overstated. Ideas alone won't make you successful. Execution will. Execution is the key to getting rich. It's easy to talk about your ambitions, but it takes discipline, hard work, and consistency to realize them. As you reflect on this, envision where you want to be in 100 days. Here's a little exercise for you. Imagine the disappointment if you remain stuck in the same place with no progress. Imagine if you do nothing to change from this day forward. Would you be happy with your life? I'm guessing not. Now, picture the satisfaction of making daily progress and reaping the rewards of your hard work 100 days from now. Looking back on this day as the start of your transformation, which future do you prefer? Of course, you want to get better and get ahead, right? Then I suggest you schedule a meeting with yourself 100 days from now. Go ahead and mark it on your calendar. Envision this meeting with yourself as the days go by. Think about how you will reflect on how much things have changed for you. Think about how you really want that meeting to go. I know you will be amazed and very proud of yourself. Well, now it's time for you to get after it. So keep your momentum going and start thinking like a billionaire. Go to this video now, Billionaire Mindset. Click on this video now and let's build big money.